Boy like them wanna die.
Alright then.
Mother cunt.
You're mad, I can't.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm now back in the building with another video for you guys. Now today we have the Toppy boss. We have the 9 boss himself. Straight out of Trinidad, you understand my song called Die Tonight featuring, what is that? Draggy? Am I seeing right? Alright, Draggy, you see me? So because what I want for the same people, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe on the video. Tear up the like button. Let's get 200 likes on the video, and please subscribe to this channel because I ain't gonna cap to you. And most of the reactions I'm gonna be posting over here. As you can see, we're trying to go to a different kind of way with the main channel, but I'm still gonna do reactions over there. But anyways, Toppy boss, look up yourself. We see what I'm going for the song right now. Ready? Die Tonight. Run tune.
KJ production.
KJ.
You hear them going the bus? I can't even do it. Go on.
Boy like them wanna die.
Alright then.
Mother cunt.
You're mad, I can't.
No Draggy9, Rock City.
Toppy.
Hey.
Fully.
John.
You don't wanna die
Tonight.
You know why I'm hard to fly. Call your mommy one last time. Then you wanna die
Tonight.
You know why I'm hard to fly. Call your mommy one last time.
Oh no, well I pause. He's asking if you wanna die tonight, you know. Then he's telling you to call your mommy one more time. People not hear them lyrics if I drop. Well, I could pull up a little bit of one here. Now go on.
You know why I'm hard to fly. Call your mommy
one more time.
Then you die down.
Alright then, one tune.
You wanna die tonight. You know why I'm hard to fly. Call your mommy
One last time.
Then you die down. Yeah, Will Smith, I am legend. Step to them with a chrome weapon.
Yeah.
Say you dance me, teach you a lesson.
Yeah.
Mash down your whole plannings like Hulk Leffan. Shoot me.
Hold on. Will Smith, I Am Legend. He's talking about Will Smith's song, movie, if you haven't known. Yo, go on.
Shoot me the comfy talk.
Yeah.
One press, make a marrow walk.
Yeah.
Run when the pit build them a back. 2, 3, dog, rip your head apart.
Yeah, you need to add that sound effect in there. Should have the pit bull in my back to break. Go on.
Say you dance me, teach you a lesson. Mash down your whole plannings like Hulk Leffan.
Mash down your whole plans like Hulk. Go on.
Shoot me the comfy talk. Yeah. One press, make a marrow walk. Yeah, run when the pit build them a back. 2, 3, dog, rip your head apart. Any zest, any party, make the crowd depart. Bullet push your damn brain like it in a cat. Ask anybody, pussy them, see me bad. Them calling me.
Bullet push your damn brain like say it in a card. Yo, when I listen to what I'm going right now. People, if Toppy boss fuck up the rap, people just so fair emojis in the comment section right now. Go on!
Trinidad, wealthy like Man Samosa, Costa Costa, fully deep Antaraja. Take your time, Amaro fly, home run, Sammy Sosa, Costa Costa, La Familia, dead before the sun.
Die tonight,
you know I am
Amaro fly, one last time. Oh fuck! Do you wanna die tonight?
You know I am Draggy9. One last time, then you die.
Alright, so it's my first time hearing of this artist, and it sounds like he's gonna come do his little verse right now. So Draggy boss, come and mash up the world. You understand me? Russian boss there. You can see what I'm going right now. You understand me? So keep on the lighters and ready, and the fire emojis them ready for comment. See if Draggy boss is gonna mash up the world. Go on.
Yeah. Toppy boss. Rise up the matic figure, boss gunshot in a them chase and never read. Pussy them feel we no got it. This the Draggy9 me sweep on me life. Oh you're dead and
alright then.
Me pussy try press you button. Me not tell him nothing. The 17 a big gun rapid kill now when your blood clot cousin. Shallow grip on mother file say she son gone missing. Watch me finger the squeeze up the mouth night.
Draggy boss. You're going in very brawling. Very brawling, Mr. Draggy boss. I like what I'm hearing. Go on.
Nowhere to hide when the crooks coming at you. Only tell them they're not bad like me. Pussy try run, but then a blood clot still so. Send shit funny fucking IG. Now your face funny wrong.
Instagram bad man them be Draggy boss. Make them know. come and send thread on Instagram. I can't send thread on Instagram, brother. No. We shoot it through Instagram DMs. I want me to tell you, know, boy. Go on!
It a hop like frog in a Rock City man, make him mother ball when she see your body spread out with yeah, my God,
I tonight.
You know your
Tomorrow fly.
Call your mommy one.
You go prick straight. There's me. I say, go on.
Last time, then you die. Do you wanna die tonight?
You don't know big up Johnny Bravo himself. You don't know it chopping. Go on.
You know your mom
Road fly.
Call your mommy one last time. Then you die.
KJ
Do you wanna
Production.
die tonight? You know your mom road to fly.
But
Call your mommy one last time. Then you die. Do you wanna die tonight?
basically
You know
done.
your mom
Yeah,
road to
no.
fly.
Alright, people say song done, people. So I have something for showing right now. I have something for showing right now. You ever type in reaction boss on YouTube and see what come up yet? Make us see what come up. Let's see what come up with a type. Oh, what is that? Is this a diss track? Oh wow.
Turn today's dreams.
Wow. Pause. So whenever you watch one of my videos, please never ever skip the ads. You understand me? Watch the full ads. This is because I'm doing this reaction right now. I want to show this real quick. People. Check out my music video. I give you a little teaser right here, so you understand me? Lyrical battle happenings right now on the main channel. Me versus Super Hype versus Trinidad versus Notorious Seers. People. The war is on. Tell them to prepare. As me I say, my next song I drop like in a couple of days. But first I'm gonna post it on Audio Mac before I post it on YouTube. So I'm gonna release the audio before I release the music video. You can know what I mean? I'm very professional now, so I'm giving that music video also. But go on, let's see what I'm going. All them reaction boss. Shout out to Kickboxer, I don't know for the logo.
Reaction boss, stuff start the war.
Big up Drippy TC people, you don't know him shoot the video. Go on!
No playing.
No joke. All the dogs and everybody get this.
Direct shots me now, fire and miss all the dogs.
Hold on, crime. We're not giving it too much, man. We're not giving it too much. We need to go messy for yourself. I could go and write it in the background while I talk to the people. So, yo. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers on this channel. So I'm kind of go like breeze off the reactions on the main channel for a minute. So Terry Vlogs finna be seeing a lot of music videos over there, a lot of videos with some girls over there. But I'm gonna still try to keep it Caribbean for you all. You feel me? But we need to hit 10K on Tyreek Reacts. So subscribe right now and support the movement. You understand me? So go follow me on Audio Mac also. Follow me on Audio Mac also. And Apple Music coming soon, Spotify coming soon because y'all turning me into an artist. So, you know what's gonna go down. Anyways, yo, shout out to Burnt Biscuit for the set. You don't know, check out everybody in the description below. Reaction boss. And everybody get this. Anyways, y'all. Go check my music video out, link down below. Peace!